Word to your mother. This channel's Frags to Riches. My name's Steve. Thank you for tuning in. As always, I love you muchly. Today I'm going to be talking about a Calvin Klein fragrance. So all of the niche and indie snobs can stop watching now, I guess. I'm going to be talking about CK All. Now, the reason I am talking about this, I didn't even know this existed until a couple of months ago, right? This is a 2017 release. I was mooching on Instagram and one of the people I follow kind of shared it and said it's one of their favourite CK fragrances. It's really fresh, and that was the first I knew of it. So it's in the same ilk as CK1 and CKB, both of which I've worn in the past. CK1 I used to rinse quite a lot as a sort of dumb reach for work. CKB I went through one bottle once as a blind buy and didn't buy again. But this really appealed to me because I'm starting to kind of stock up now and kind of think and plan ahead for summer. And this is quite a good freshly bottled account. And my man Joy Amin actually gave this 10 out of 10. He said this is a 10 out of 10 fragrance. So that kind of did it for me. I pulled the trigger on it and I got a good deal on this. It was about £22 for 100 ml, but I got, I don't know, 15 or 20% off or something. Something like that, I can't remember. But anyway, this basically cost me like 17 quid or something. So, question, is this a 10 out of 10 fragrance? Let's find out. So those of you that have never had a CK fragrance, they often do this. You get a lid and then you get the spritzer kind of separate. So why I talk about this? The notes are, they're quite fresh at the top. There's, I think it's mandarin, bergamot. The mids have got some florals like jasmine, I think it is, and lily. Don't quote me on this. This is just kind of off my head from memory. And in the base, there's amber, musk, and vetiver. So, as I've declared previously on this channel, vetiver is a love-hate relationship for me. If it's a nice, clean, fresh vet, I love it. If it's a earthy vet, I don't love it as much. But let's find out if this is any good. Is this a 10 out of 10 fragrance? Okay, I went heavy there. Oh. That's good. That's really good. That is a unisex fragrance straight off the back. That definitely reminds me of something like I've smelt an ex-girlfriend wearing, actually. Almost like, I'm not saying it reminds me of some sort of DKNY Be Delicious type fragrance. I'm not saying it smells like that, but this is sold as a unisex fragrance, as is CK1 and CKB, I think is as well. But yeah, straight away I got these sort of powdery florals, which are definitely unisex. But I can rock this, mate. I can rock this. But it's very clean, very fresh, very nice. It'd be interesting to get the wife's opinion on this one. I really like that. It's a lovely fresh fragrance. It's not much more to say, guys. This is just a first impressions. It's not going to be a full review. I don't know how it's going to perform, but that's really nice. Yeah, I'm just getting the notes that I listed basically. So at the top I am definitely getting bergamot, hint of mandarin, not too strong. Yeah, florals definitely. I couldn't necessarily pick out the individual florals. It's just very floral, like a very sort of perfumey floral. Not really getting too much of the amber and tonka at the minute, but that is in the base. And I'm getting a hint of the vetiver, but yes, it's a nice, clean, fresh vet, so I'm happy. That is gonna be a lovely dumb reach as we're now coming into the kind of spring. This is definitely gonna get worn for work. Lovely, clean, white shirt type fragrance. Yeah, I'd recommend trying this. For the money, it's an easy dumb reach, an easy blind buy, I would say. That said, if you're not into florals, maybe not. But if you're quite confident in your ability to rock a floral, But yeah, this is definitely unisex. So if you're not a fan of unisex type fragrances or like florals, then steer clear. But if you're confident in that, you want a lovely clean white shirt fragrance for the spring, summer, boom, this is it. Is it a 10 out of 10 fragrance? I don't know yet because I need to test the performance, but fragrance wise, as a smell, it's beautiful. I'm really happy with it. I'd give it quick early first impressions, 8.5, 9 out of 10. But there you go, I'll see how it develops, how it dries down, and how it wears and how it performs. But yeah, cheers Joy, winner. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. A lot of people are recommending fragrances, so by all means please do. At some point I might do a subscriber's choice or something. But yeah, thank you for watching. Got a lot of content to coming up. So yeah, stay tuned. Much love.